From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, a very good afternoon to those of you tuning in. I'm student meteorologist Jake Rowe here at the Campus Weather Service. And one of our headlines today is that the wintry precipitation has made it to State College. It is official. We have recorded our first snowflakes that have fallen throughout the areas I'm sure many of you have seen through your afternoon commute. Otherwise, for the rest of the week, we're going to look at those temperatures remaining below average. And then that cold returns this weekend as we look towards a homecoming football game Saturday versus Rutgers. So let's take a look out towards West Campus right now. We do see the snow falling. It is official observation as reported by our weather station. We have some light snow falling right now. Temperatures at 36 degrees. Feels like 30 degrees because we have a nice northeast wind at 7 miles an hour right now. So it's a little blustery out there if you're walking around campus. Dew points lingering at 32 degrees. And our visibility is actually dropping now that we have the snow moving in, around 3 miles of visibility. So looking at current radar and satellite, we see this area of snow and rain snow mix moving through Center County, while we have some pretty heavy precipitation moving down through Pittsburgh. It's a lot warmer down there, so they're not going to be seeing too much of this wintry precip as we are. This is going to be more focused on central PA into the northern parts of the Commonwealth. So let's take a look out to the region as a whole. This is associated with the cold front that moved through late last night into early this morning. So this has finally pushed through the area. You see it. Setup of clouds that are moving off into the Atlantic Ocean. So not much is going to come from this system other than what we're seeing right now. So let's take a look at those temperatures as we saw in State College, 36 degrees reporting right now. Erie a little bit warmer here at 44 degrees, but if we look down to Philadelphia, that's going to be our warm spot today at 48 degrees. And then taking a look out to the United States as a whole, we're actually seeing some temperatures get down into the upper teens up in Billings, 19 reporting right now, and 20 in Bismarck. But if we look towards southeastern parts of the United States, Tampa is sitting at 82 degrees. So pretty warm down the southeastern portions of the country. But looking back into it, we're going to look at the future weather for our temperatures moving out towards this afternoon. We'll see those temperatures reach around 37, 38 degrees today in State College. Erie looking to cool down a little bit, so their warm spot this morning. Even Philadelphia also cooling down as we have that north wind moving through the area. But let's take this out a little bit further in time. This is going to be Wednesday morning. We see those temperatures fall down into the lower 30s overnight, into the upper 20s. But by tomorrow morning, State College, if you have a 10 o'clock class, you're going to be around 39 degrees here in State College. And the rest of this Commonwealth is going to be lingering around the mid to upper 30s and lower 40s as we see down in Philadelphia especially. So let's take a look further out into time. Wednesday night, those temperatures begin to cool down again, but not as cool as what we're going to be seeing tonight. They'll drop down into the mid to lower 30s for the central portions of the state, and then by Thursday morning, finally warming back up into the 40s. So let's take a look at that future weather. We see some of this precipitation move through, and while the southeastern portion of the state is looking to remain mainly precipitation, we see some of this snow move through the northeastern portions of the state down towards the central portions of the state. So we'll see that rain-snow mix throughout most of the afternoon. Primarily going to be more of a rain event. We're not expecting much in the means of accumulation because the ground is especially still warm at this time of year. But by midnight Wednesday, these clouds and precip are finally going to move out of the area, and we'll see that north wind actually linger. Otherwise, we're not seeing too much in the means of clouds. Tomorrow's looking to be a pretty nice day, a little bit on the cooler side. Otherwise, most of the Commonwealth, we're not seeing much in the means of cloud cover. So by Wednesday night, we'll finally see another system begin to move through that potentially might bring some precipitation through the area. We're seeing this at 9:30 on Thursday morning. A few clouds moving through north central Pennsylvania and a few in the central PA region. So we'll see if that is going to impact us in the future weather. Otherwise, taking a look at today, highs around 38 degrees with our rain snow showers as we are seeing, with a north wind around 5 miles an hour. And then looking towards tonight, we're going to expect those temperatures to drop actually into the upper 20s, lows around 28 degrees with some early showers lingering. Otherwise, we have that north wind at 5 miles an hour. So looking at that 7-day forecast, as we saw today, high of 38 and a low of 28. Otherwise, Wednesday, we'll see those temperatures finally get back up near average, around 49 degrees. And then taking a look at the rest of the week, we'll see temperatures, again, Thursday, into the mid to upper 40s with a few showers lingering. Otherwise, Thursday night, it gets to be a little chillier outside, with a few flurries potentially lingering Friday morning as those temperatures begin to struggle to make it out of the upper 30s. And then Saturday, that cold weather is going to return for the football game versus Rutgers. And then Sunday into next Monday, we'll finally see a little bit of a warm-up return to the region. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's forecast, and have a great afternoon.